मेरे साथ बने रहिए मनोहर. These are the first visuals that we are getting of this train mishap that has taken place in Jalgaon. We take a look at these visuals. There are dozens of people, dozens of passengers who are standing nearby the train. The train had to be halted for obvious reasons. There have been a number of people who have died in this incident. We do not know how many fatalities have been reported up until now, but the latest we are getting to know is that there may be more people that may have died in this incident because of this gruesome accident that has taken place. If we can put out those visuals on our screens where this is in the middle of nowhere, that we are witnessing this accident taking place in Jalgaon. We are getting to know that the passengers of Pushpak Express were hit by Karnataka Express train in Jalgaon district. The railway officials and other staff have now reached the spot. We are awaiting more details. So there were two trains that clashed each other. The first train, which was the Pushpak Express, is where the bogie caught fire. The passengers jumped out in fear, and the second train then hit the passengers. It ran over them, killing several of them. This incident has taken place in Jalgaon. We are getting to know that the railway officials and other staff members have already arrived on the spot. मनोहर ऑन द टेलीकास्ट विद मी. मनोहर, यहाँ पे पता चल रहा है कि जो ये पुष्पक एक्सप्रेस, जैसे कि आप बता रहे थे, इसका क्लैश हुआ है कर्नाटका एक्सप्रेस से. कर्नाटका एक्सप्रेस और पुष्पक एक्सप्रेस के बीच में ये कोलिजन हुआ है और इस कोलिजन के बीच काफी सारे पैसेंजर्स मारे गए हैं.
अभी तक कोलिजन की खबर नहीं है कि पुष्पक एक्सप्रेस और कर्नाटक एक्सप्रेस इन दोनों में कोलिजन हुई है, लेकिन जो रेलवे अधिकारी की ओर से जो ऑफिशियल बताई जा रही है चीजें कि पुष्पक एक्सप्रेस हॉट एक्सल की वजह से खड़ी थी, आग की अफवाहें हुई तो पैसेंजर्स ट्रैक पे कूद गए, सभी लोग ट्रैक पे आ गए. उसी दौरान कर्नाटक एक्सप्रेस जो बेंगलुरु से चल करके नई दिल्ली की ओर आ रही थी, उसी से ट्रैक पे जो है वो अचानक रौंदते हुए निकल गई और इसकी वजह से कई लोग चपेट में आए हैं और कई लोगों को गंभीर चोटें भी आई है. जी.
All right, those are right now sketchy details. Sanjay on the telecast with me. Sanjay.